Hello guys, welcome to H4Hacks and welcome to yet another video about Flipper Zero. Yes, the most hottest hacking gadget of recent times. You might have seen a lot of videos on YouTube regarding this device. People doing a lot of crazy things with this device. So I had done a couple of shorts and couple of other videos on Flipper Zero and uh, radio hacking related stuff in my channel, but those were in mostly in Malayalam language. But this will be the first video that I'm doing on Flipper Zero, which will be in English, because I thought like I've been getting a lot of comments, a lot of inquiries about Flipper Zero and the things that I do on these videos. And most of the people who comment are from non-native Malayalam speakers, so I should be doing an English video. So that's the reason for this video. So I backed this project somewhere in 2020. That's when I made the payment for Flipper Zero. So that's why I have like the black edition. So you can see here, this one is black edition of Flipper Zero. So you'll get the black edition if you are one of the original Kickstarter backers of the project. So I have like a black one as well as like I have another white one. I got both of them from the Kickstarter campaign itself. And you can see here like I have already an attachment for NRF 24 module. This is like the 2.4 gigahertz module that you can use for 2.4 gigahertz communication. Okay, so I'll be like showing you the unboxing of Flipper Zero as I got it, because at that time like I was not really prepared and I like did a raw video capture of that. So I'll be showing that on this video, so you guys can see that while we discuss about it. So the one that I have here is basically running something called Rogue Master, which is like a custom firmware. So this is like a fork of the original Flipper Zero firmware, which is like it's like a overclocked, you can say that, because there are certain limitations on the original firmware, like you cannot basically transmit on certain radio frequencies. That limitations, as well as a couple of other functionalities, several bug fixes, new animations, etc. All these kind of things make up the new Rogue Master firmware. So this one is running the latest version of that. I think it's the latest version because last time I checked was like yesterday, and yeah, so probably this is the latest version. And as you might have already known about Flipper Zero, there's like a SD card where you can include several recordings, several custom applications, etc., that can be loaded onto the firmware, and you can do pretty cool stuff with that. So the device itself is very simple. You can see here it has a built-in battery which you can charge using a USB-C port here, and basically this side you have like the GPIO pin connectivity. So imagine something like Raspberry Pi or Arduino. This is kind of the same functionality. You can attach different kind of devices and interact with them using GPIO pins. That's basically this side. And here you can see there's like an infrared port, and here you have an interface for I button connectivity. So that's basically the structure of the device. So right now I have like a silicone case for this. You can see here it's all attached, and I have like a this lanyard connected to it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And it has basically radio communication capabilities on different frequencies, which we will discuss a bit lot in other videos. So I'm planning to do multiple videos on Flipper Zero explaining the functionality. Probably we will do some experiments with it. So I'm planning on a couple of kind of like a video series on Flipper Zero. So you might be seeing that soon in my channel. So Basically, in this video, I'll be just going through some of the basic functionalities, and we'll have some demos of these basic functionalities. So you might have seen a couple of these already in my channel. I have already posted a couple of that in as short videos. You can check that out. So probably we'll have a kind of like a explained or a detailed version of those videos in I'll try to include a couple of that in this video as well. So basically that's it about Flipper Zero, and let's start with some of the demos. Okay, so now we are going to use the universal remote functionality. We choose the app and then choose TV right now. So basically when you press the power button, what Flipper is doing is like it's replaying the most commonly used infrared signals for TVs, which will be, yeah, basically turned off the TV. So here we are going to use the learning remote functionality. So Flipper will listen for signals, and when you press the power button it makes a beep sound, which means that it has captured the infrared signal. Now what's left is to save that capture signal, and we assign a button in the user interface for this specific function that we just recorded. Now we just open up the recorded remote. So here you can see, yeah, we have the TV button. So once we give the signal, Flipper will replay what was captured, which is basically turning on the TV on and off. So it was the power button that was captured. So we can just turn the TV back on right now. Yeah. So that is one cool functionality of Flipper. Yeah. So the next demo will be using NFC functionality. So we basically have some recordings from Amiibo devices for Nintendo Switch. So Amiibo figures are basically having some NFC tags on them, which when you tap on the Nintendo Switch, it will give you some goodies on the game. So basically we just simulated that. So this is basically the things that I wanted to show on this very first video. So soon we will be having more videos on Flipper on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe. So we will discuss different functionalities of Flipper involving GPIO connectivity, NFC tags, etc., and viral things like opening Tesla's door, mouse jacking, these kind of things. I have already created short videos on that, so don't forget to check them out. Also in the short videos you can find videos related to mouse jacking, etc. So I am planning for a detailed video on the same. As you can see on the screen right now, this is the white version that I have, which is connected with an RF 2.4 gigahertz module, where it can listen to mouse that is used on nearby PCs and can hijack them and then basically use that to take over the device. So we will discuss in detail on that on upcoming videos. So I hope everyone found these videos to be very informative. So if you like my channel, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.